The H1B Guy here, and today, the H1B Guy grades. March 2022 Visa Bulletin predictions versus the actual bulletin released. Find out what I got right, what I got wrong, and my final grade. But before we get started, I'd like to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube and like this video so that I can continue to produce more content like this for you. I also wanted to mention the H1B Guy offers a variety of consulting services. I help businesses and individuals solve complex work authorization issues in the recruitment process while bringing awareness to employment-based immigration benefits. If I can help you, please reach out. I'd love to hear how. And you can book an appointment directly with me via the H1BGuy.com. Today's post is brought to you by Syndesis and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain, and by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. Today, I'm going to grade what the H1B Guy forecasted for March 2022's Visa Bulletin versus the actual March 2022 Visa Bulletin that was released by the U.S. Department of State. For those of you new to this channel, each month I predict employment-based preferences as it relates to the monthly Visa Bulletin. Once the monthly Visa Bulletin has been posted by the Department of State, I create a follow-up post in the form of the H1B Guy grades to find out how I did with my predictions for the month. Let's jump right into the March 2022 Visa Bulletin released on Wednesday, February 16th, 2022. Final action dates. In India and EB1 predicted March 1st, 2022. Actual March 1st, 2022. 28 days forward movement, and my prediction was correct. India, EB2, predicted April 1st, 2013. Actual May 1st, 2013. 120 days of forward movement, and my prediction was under 30 days. India EB3 predicted January 15th, 2012. Actual January 15th, 2012. No forward movement, and my prediction was correct. For China and EB1 for final action dates predicted March 1st, 2022. Actual March 1st, 2022. 28 days forward movement, and my prediction was correct. For China and EB2 predicted April 1st, 2019. Actual March 1st, 2019. No forward movement, and my prediction was 31 days over. For China and EB3 predicted March 22nd, 2018. Actual March 22nd, 2018. No forward movement, and my prediction was correct. For El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras, and EB4 for final action dates predicted March 15th, 2019. Actual May 1st, 2017. 683 days of retrogression, and my prediction was over 683 days. For final action dates for Mexico and EB4 predicted April 1st, 2020. Actual April 1st, 2020. No forward movement, and my prediction was correct. Moving on to dates of filing for India and EB1 predicted March 1st, 2022. Actual March 1st, 2022. 28 days forward movement, and my prediction was correct. For India and EB2 predicted October 1st, 2013. Actual September 1st, 2013. No forward movement, and my prediction was over 30 days. For India and EB3 predicted January 22nd, 2012. Actual January 22nd, 2012. No forward movement, and my prediction was correct. For China and EB1 predicted March 1st, 2022. Actual March 1st, 2022. 28 days forward movement, and my prediction was correct. For China and EB2 predicted May 1st, 2019. Actual April 1st, 2019. No forward movement, and my prediction was over 30 days. For China and EB3 predicted April 1st, 2018. Actual April 1st, 2018. No forward movement, and my prediction was correct. For El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, dates of filing for EB4 predicted May 15th, 2019. Actual June 15th, 2017. 699 days of retrogression, and my prediction was over 699 days. And finally, my forecast for the Visa Bulletin release day. My 3 prediction dates were Tuesday, February 15th, 2022, Wednesday, February 16th, 2022, and Thursday, February 17th, 2022. The actual release day, Wednesday, February 16th, 2022. And I was correct on 10 out of 16 predictions for my forecast of the March 2022 Visa Bulletin, grading out at 63%. Per the H1B Guy grades February 2022 Visa Bulletin predictions versus the actual bulletin released, I previously discussed the possibility of retrogression for El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and EB4, as well as Mexico EB4. March brought us significant retrogression for both final action dates and dates of filing for El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras. Begging the question, is retrogression for Mexico EB4 a high possibility for April's Visa Bulletin? Under Section D, quote, in addition, if sufficient demand materializes in employment-based 5th preference category, corrective action may be taken in India employment-based 2nd preference category, which would have utilized any otherwise unused numbers from the employment-based 5th preference. I thought this was an interesting little sentence here at the end of the Visa Bulletin, as I've been alluding to the possibility of retrogression in April or May for EB2 in India and China as a possibility going back to the end of last year. However, the consistent forward movement of India EB2 has led me to believe that that may not happen. Yet, here we are with this little bomb mentioned at the end of March's Visa Bulletin for 2022. I'm uncertain if we'll see this rumored corrective action happen in April or May, or even at all. One thing is for certain, the monthly Visa Bulletin continues to remain very fluid. For the full post on the H1B Guy grades, March 2022 Visa Bulletin predictions versus the actual bulletin released, please check out the H1BGuy.com. And a reminder that today's post was brought to you by Syndesis and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. If you're facing an H1B denial or OPT expiration, don't get caught off guard. Make sure you have a plan B, and Syndesis and Path to Canada are your answers. To find out if you qualify, please be sure to use the link in the video description below, and someone from Syndesis or Path to Canada will be in touch. And also by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. If you're looking to reduce your cost and overhead associated with PERM labor certification recruitment advertising, let PERM-Ads.com help you. Just wanted to ask you again to please like this video, subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified anytime we post new content here to this channel. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate your support. The H1B Guy, your global source for all things H1B.